Hello students, today we are going to perform an activity of osmosis. So first of all, we have to know what is osmosis. So simply osmosis is movement of water molecules from their higher concentration to their lower concentration through a membrane. So today we are going to perform this activity in our laboratory by using the potato experiment. Okay. Now, what is osmosis? Clearly it is mentioned here that from a region of low solute concentration to a region of high solute concentration. What does it mean? There is difference between the two statements. What I said earlier and what is written here. Here the difference is of solute and solvent. Let's see that if water concentration is high in region A, then the solute concentration is low in the region A. So on the basis of these two concentration, you can make two different statements regarding the osmosis. Next one, what material needed for the experiment? Freshly potatoes, sharp knife or potato cutter. We have to scoop the potato so that we can fill the sugar solution. Beaker, distilled water and different type of salt solutions or sugar solutions. And the pointer means we are leveling or we are the marking the level of the solutions. Step by step, prepare different concentration of solution, cut the potatoes, scoop the potatoes. It means that we have to make a hole or we have to make a flat bottom so that we can pour some solution. Okay, now note the initial level or readings and wait for up to 30 to 2 hours or 1 hour. Then finally we will count the final reading and then we will able to show the osmosis. The concept behind the osmosis is here. We have the beaker and the beaker is having the solvent. Beaker is having more solvent. Now the scooped potato, it has the solution which have the solute also. Now the solvent concentration outside the potato is high as compared to the inside. As the inside we have solute plus solvent, it means we have the solution, and outside this potato we have the pure water or the solvent. Now the definition of the osmosis says that water will move from its higher water potential to its lower water potential. It means this water is not having any kind of solute. It means it has the higher water potential. Now this potato, this act as a semi-permeable membrane. It is very thin. It acts as a semi-permeable membrane. Now to make it equal or to come under the equilibrium, the water will move from here to inside of the potato, and slowly the level will rise up. We will find out if the level rises up, it means that we are performing osmosis or we are just watching the osmosis. Thank you. Now we will move to the lab to show this activity. Okay students, we are in our laboratory and we have our required material. We have the potato within this petri plate, and this potato is scooped one. We have different concentration solution, salt concentration solution. It is the 1%, 5% and the 10%. We have the solvent, we have the distilled water here. We have the paper pins to mark the level in the osmoscope. Let's perform this experiment. First what we will do, we will pour some solvent inside this petri plate. We have poured sufficient amount of solvent. Okay, almost at brim level. Yes. Now this is the solvent, this is the water. It doesn't have any kind of a solute. This is the distilled water one. Now first of all what we will do, this is our 1% salt solution. We will pour this 1% salt solution in the scope. Pour some salt solution in the scooped region and mark the level with the paper pin. Now we have marked the level. Same in the another setup, we have the 5% solution. This one is the 5% solution. Again we will pour it in the scoop and again we will mark the level of the solution within the potato. Okay, now see the concept. This is the pure water solvent. Within the scope we have the solvent. It means it has the more solute as compared to the outside of this potato. Now same here, we have the solution. It has the more solute, it has no solute or very less solute. So according to the concept of water potential, water will move from its higher water potential to its lower potential by crossing this semi-permeable membrane. So after 30 to 1.5 hours, we will observe our readings and we will find whether the setup was perfectly or not.
2 hours later.
Now we are back after 1.5 hours. Please come closer. See the level of the solution. Initially it was here. Now it is up to the brim level, up to the top. Another one, initially it was very low and now it is up to here. It means that water from this Petri plate entered into the potato. This shows that osmosis is being performed here. Okay, so I hope you got this, and in classes you will find very interesting by performing this experiment. Thank you. Have a nice day.